Well, the BJP has been given a call. BJP has given a call for a 12-hour Bengal Bandh, and they've tried to block the Shambazar crossing here, but the police have, of course, removed the protesters. You can see BJP leaders like Lokit Chatterjee, etc. here, who are marching at the Shambazar 5-point crossing. And from the other side, there's a Trinamool rally also that is coming this side. Of course, a political face-off between the TMC and the BJP on the streets. Clearly, justice for the Arjikor victim now seems to have receded into the background as these bandhs and strikes take over. Ma'am, if I can quickly ask you, the bandh, what kind of response are you seeing?
आप पूरा देख रहे हैं कि पूरा जनता का समर्थन है. आज शाम बाजार नाउ इज 10:30 AM. अभी शाम बाजार का सिचुएशन जो है, अभी कोई बास इतना नहीं है, अभी जनता भी नहीं है, तो जनता दिल से पूरा समर्थन कर रहे हैं. अभी टीएमसी का समावेश है, छात्र परिषद का समावेश है. एक लोग चाहते हैं, हम लोग चाहते हैं कि विचार हो जाए, और वो लोग चाहते हैं कि विचार नहीं हो. कौन सा सच है? सच एक दिन सामने आएगा.
Thank you, ma'am. Lokit Chatterjee, former BJP MP, obviously speaking here, and the police, of course, removing those who are. Arey, madam, dekhe. So obviously, the BJP supporters being moved away. From this side, of course, there's a BJP rally. That side, of course, there's a TMC rally. And the police, of course, will probably be detaining these BJP protesters here as they come. And, they, of course, are moving back. And you can see, of course, some more groups arriving here as this at the Shambazar 5-point crossing, where the BJP, where the TMC, the BJP is trying to block, this place. So obviously, the central forces and the Kolkata police in some sort of, tussle here, and of course, we can see some kind of commotion here, and we'll try and get in again. Lokit Chatterjee again, but you can see these BJP protesters here at the Shambazar 5-point crossing blocking the traffic, and and also this side you can see the Trinamool supporters as well, who have gathered on the other side of the road. The Trinamool flags are there. The police have blocked them that side, and for now, at least for the last 5 or 10 minutes, the Shambazar 5-point crossing is, of course, blocked for traffic. And you can see BJP leaders being detained here in this police van as we speak. My camera person Aniruddha Tripathi giving you these live visuals here as BJP protesters are detained here at the Shambazar 5-point crossing, and several BJP leaders who were attempted to block the Shambazar 5-point crossing have been detained here as the BJP's 12-hour bandh call takes place. The police on the other side, you can see, are pushing back the Trinamool supporters who had also gathered here. And, again, riot control police on standby here. The RAF, Rapid Action Force, also on standby here. The Trinamool supporters that side, the BJP supporters this side. The police detaining the BJP supporters in these buses and taking them away as we speak. So obviously these are live pictures that you're seeing on your television screens from Shambazar 5-point crossing in North Kolkata, where there is an attempt to block this major thoroughfare as part of the 12-hour bandh call given by the BJP. And of course these are live pictures from the Shambazar 5-point crossing.
Thanks so much, Saurabh, for joining us with that update. The BJP called for a 6 AM to 6 PM bandh in West Bengal, as Saurabh is reporting, to protest against the police action on those who took part in the march to the State Secretariat Nabonno over the rape and murder of a 31-year-old doctor in Kolkata. In fact, the bandh was actually was given by an unregistered student body and a dissident state government employees group as well, the ruling Trinamool Congress, alleging that this was a BJP-backed protest.